Hello, I am Big O. Some mistakenly call me Oros, but actually I'm osteoarthritis. They also call me as a degenerative disease or a disabling joint disease. My big enemy is Hitch, and my big enemy is Hinge. you know, Hinge, they know him as a healthy joint. That one is a very big enemy of mine because he thinks he's very clever because he's got so many friends. His first friend is cartilage. Cartilage prevents the friction between the bones, and he also had got other friends which called synovial membrane. Synovial membrane lines the joint capsule and also secretes synovial fluid. And his other friend is Baza. That's why he thinks he's very clever because he's got fluids inside and it prevents friction between the bones and the ligaments. But I don't care because I also got my friends. My first friend is obesity, and my other one is old age. The other one is congenital diseases, and the other one is occupational factors. When we are there, we cause pain. A person cannot move his joint, and we also cause a grating sensation between the bones, and we also causes the tenderness. If you apply pressure on the joint, the person will feel pain. We affect the joint, the hip joint, the knees, but we can also affect those bones on the fingers, those joints on the fingers. We also affect the lumbar spine and also the cervical spine joints. There's nothing they can do to defeat me. They only give analgesics, but that one doesn't just make me better, but it doesn't defeat me. What they do, they also inject the intra-articular joint with the hyaluronic acid just to improve cartilage function, degeneration. But that doesn't help because I go away for only 6 months, but I come back and I cause pain. The only thing you can do is to take care of that joint. You better exercise and lose weight, or else you better prevent those injuries. That's the only thing that you can do. I'm osteoarthritis and cause very much pain.